Alright guys, today we're going to be looking over a Chevy V6 6.0. It is a V8. We're going to be checking for crank no start. Basically what that is it's turning over but does not want to start. And then basically we're going to look at it. We're going to check for spark, compression, fuel, and air. So guys, ways to check spark and fuel and air and compression. Ways you could check it: you could hook up right here the spark plug gap. Basically you put in tester, it goes right in there. It's like another spark plug, but on the other end it has a light that will light up when it gets spark. The other way you could do it, check fuel, you could spray throttle body cleaner or put some gasoline in the air intake. Basically that will ignite, and then once you turn the key, if it turns over, then that could also be a result of a bad fuel pump. Bad fuel pump can also be found if when you turn the key over the pump doesn't turn on. That's another way you could do it. So basically those are some ways of testing for fuel. Then now another way you could do it is if you come over here to the tester, you run some tests on it. Basically you're going to see if it's running good. If all the data code and data PIDs are up to date and up to speed, then you know it's okay. And of course you always want to check if you actually have gasoline, which in Mr. Jenkins' case, he does not have any gasoline in there. It is empty. And that, ladies and gentlemen, will conclude my video of diagnosing a crank no start. Thank you.